Welcome to this DelphStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to get an animated profile picture on Discord without Nitro, which is also called a GIF. By default, Discord only allows animated profile pictures for users who have Nitro subscription. Without Nitro, Discord does not officially support uploading or displaying GIF profile pictures. However, there is a workaround using Better Discord. Better Discord is a client modification that adds extra customization features to the Discord desktop app. To start, go to your Chrome browser and search for Better Discord. Download the app and install it on your system. After installation, go to Plugins, search for Edit Users. After searching, download the Edit Users plugin by Devil Bro. As you can see, I've already downloaded it. After downloading, open the file location and copy it. Now open your Discord app and go to User Settings. Scroll down, and as you can see, Better Discord appears in the menu. Click on Plugins and make sure Edit Users is toggled on. Then click on Open Plugin Folder. Paste the plugin into this folder. Next, go to Google Chrome and search for any GIF you want to use as your profile picture. Let's say I want to use this GIF as my profile picture. Right-click on the image and click Copy Link Address. Now go back to Discord and click on your profile picture. You'll see Local User Settings. Click on Change Settings. Paste your GIF link into the Avatar section. Click Save. As you can see, the profile picture has been successfully changed to a GIF. This method is mainly for personal customization and testing. It works locally and does not replace Nitro or make the animation visible to everyone. We learned that animated profile pictures officially require Nitro and how a Better Discord workaround can be used to view GIF profile pictures locally for free. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelphStack tutorial video.